how to fix TikTok photo access issue on your iPhone. Let's get started. So, this problem usually happens because TikTok does not have a full access to your photos, camera, or microphone. Let's fix this quickly. So, open up your TikTok application and then log into your account. Simply tap on this plus button. If you see the prompt again, exit the TikTok application and then open up your settings. Inside settings, scroll down, then tap on apps. Inside apps, search for TikTok and then tap onto it. Now inside here, simply tap on photos and make sure it has full access. Make sure camera and microphone are enabled. Confirm the changes and this ensures TikTok can access your media and record videos. Now inside here, go back to settings, tap on screen time. Scroll down, tap on content and privacy restriction and make sure this button is turned off. Or adjust settings to allow TikTok access. Now after that, return to TikTok and then tap on the plus button again. Just like that, check if you can access your camera and gallery. This fixes cases where screen time blocks TikTok from accessing photos and camera. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.